In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video on top of another video in Canva, adding B-roll videos. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a secondary clip over your main footage, adjust how it appears, manage audio, and preview everything for a smooth, professional result. Start by opening your video project in Canva and making sure your main video, often called the A-roll, is on the timeline. This is usually your talking head or primary content. With that in place, head to the left-hand menu, open Uploads, then choose Videos. Drag your B-roll clip onto the timeline. You'll see it appear as a second layer stack above your main video, which means it will display on top when it plays. You have two simple layout options. For a picture-in-picture look, click the B-roll on the timeline, then resize it by dragging the corners. Move it to a corner or anywhere that doesn't block important parts of your main shot. Keep it large enough to be visible but small enough to avoid covering key text or your face. If you prefer a full screen cutaway, use the split page method. Right-click the main video on the timeline and choose Split Page. This creates a new page right after your current scene. On that new page, add your B-roll and set it as the background. This creates a clean, full-screen transition to your B-roll before returning to your main footage. It's a great choice for moments where visuals matter more than the talking head. Next, adjust timing so your B-roll appears exactly when you need it. On the timeline, drag the edges of the B-roll clip to make it shorter or longer. Align it with the part of your narration you want to illustrate, and trim any extra frames to keep the pacing tight. Manage audio so your message is clear. If you want the B-roll to play silently over your main audio, select the B-roll, click the speaker icon to mute it, or lower the volume in the audio settings. This prevents competing sounds and keeps your voice front and center. For a polished touch, refine the look. Use the transparency slider to make the B-roll semi-transparent if you want the main video to remain visible beneath it. You can also add a subtle animation by selecting the B-roll and clicking Animate, choosing a simple pop-in or pop-out to guide the viewer's attention. Finally, hit play to preview everything. Watch for timing, placement, and audio levels, then make any final tweaks until it feels seamless. Thanks for watching.